going to learn about fractions. We're going to add, subtract, multiply, and divide them. First, we're going to multiply them. When multiplying a fraction, first multiply the numerator. 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 3 is 15. So that's your final answer there. Next, we're going to divide. When dividing fractions, you multiply the first number by the reciprocal of the second number. So you're multiplying again, doing the same thing we did over there. Multiply the numerators, so you get 20, and then the denominator, you get 24. Now you have to reduce your fraction, and you can divide this by 4, and divide this by 4, so you end up with 5/6. There you go.
To start for addition, it's very hard to do because you don't have the same denominator here. So we have to find the greatest common factor. The easiest way to do that is just multiply the two numbers of your denominator together. So 7 times 5 equals 35. So now we have to figure out what we multiplied your denominator by to find your numerator. So on this side, we would have to multiply by 5 to get 35. So you have to do that on both the top and the bottom. And then over here, we have to figure out what you would do. So we would multiply by 7 to get 35. So the numerator multiplied by 7 and the denominator multiplied by 7. So if we multiply what we have together, 3 times 5 would be 15. 7 times 5 equals 35, which is what our goal was. And we would add 2 times 7, which is 14, over 35, which was also our goal. And we would get 15 plus 14, you just add it out, 29 over 35. That is the simplest way to do addition. Now subtraction. This is the same process, but instead we are subtracting. So we have to find the greatest common factor for the denominator, which in this case you just multiply the two together. 3 times 7 equals 21. So you have to figure out what you do on this side to get 21. You would multiply by 7. 2 times 7 over 3 times 7 minus, on this side you would multiply by 3 on both. 3 times 3 over 7 times 3. Okay, so you multiply that out. 2 times 7 equals 14 over 21 minus 9 over 21. And you would get 5 over 21. That is how you do subtraction.
Here's a list of 4 basic practice questions to help you learn the process better. You can pause this video and try each of them individually if you'd like now.
Come to class prepared to share 2 examples on the whiteboard.